Hey there! Today we are covering all the essential steps to effectively use the JBL Go free speaker. Let's get started. Connecting. Turn on your speaker by pressing the power button. Then press the Bluetooth button. Enable Bluetooth on your iOS or Android smartphone and wait for the Go Free to appear in the available devices. Select JBL Go Free to pair. And you are good to go. Enjoy wireless music streaming. Resetting. If you encounter connectivity issues or want to pair with a new device, you might need to reset your speaker. Press and hold the Bluetooth and volume up buttons together for about 3 seconds until the speaker turns off. This resets the speaker. Charging. Use the included USB-C cable to connect your speaker to a power source like laptop, USB charger, or power bank. The LED indicator on the speaker will glow red while charging and turn off once fully charged. Not charging issues. Ensure you're using a compatible USB-C cable and power adapter. Check for any debris in the charging port that may prevent proper connection. If problems persist, try using a different power source or contact JBL support for assistance. Connecting to a PC. Press the Bluetooth button on the speaker. Activate Bluetooth on your PC. Open Settings on your PC. Devices and activate Bluetooth. Press Add to start searching. Press Connect when the speaker appears. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solution.